3 tests of supports and 3 rejections. Then an explosive move higher. This pattern is rare, but when it shows up, pay attention. Okay, so let's take a look right now on the chart. What is a triple bottom? Price drops to same support 3 times and bounces each time. Okay, 3 roughly equal lows. This neckline connects highs of 2 bounces and confirms on break above. The psychology behind this pattern is that sellers tried 3 times to push lower and failed. Supply is exhausted and short sellers scramble to cover on breakout. This pattern represents capitulation failure, the most extreme form of support holding. And why they are rare but powerful? Takes longer to form than double bottoms, okay, because there's 3 bottoms, and fewer traders have patience, and that's your edge, okay. 3 validated tests, and means that very high probability when patterns confirms, and we have this confirmation right here. 3 tests build a launchpad of short positions and tight stops below support. Breakout gets fuel from stops being hit right there. And this is what we call a short squeeze. And for example, a triple bottom on ES at major daily support with a macro catalyst produce some of the cleanest swing trades. So that's what you have to know and get it in your mind. How to trade it? So then firstly, entry number 1, buy at neckline, break with volume confirmation. Entry number 2 would be buy at near third low, okay, after the rejection of this support, and ideally with a confirmation, for example, a special candle or all this stuff. Like a hammer, engulfing, cumulative volume delta divergence, or all this stuff. Entry number 3, buy neckline, retest, okay, if we have a retest on the neckline, a pullback on the neckline, and from above after initial breakout. Then your stop loss, you just need to set it below these triple bottom lows, and your target, you'll take the lows to neckline, okay, from the lows to neckline, height, and then projected upward from the breakout, and it's giving you your target, your theoretical target. And one of the things that you have to know is that if this third low undercuts the other 2 slightly before reversing a spring, that's what we call, this means that's highest quality setup, okay, and traps every short seller. So triple vs double bottom. Let's take a look at some example right now. So this is a wonderful triple bottom, bottom 1, bottom 2, bottom 3, neckline, breakout. We have even not retest, another pullback. We are just going straight forward. You're just taking the height from the bottom, from the lows to the neckline, projected it, and the market, I think, is gonna give you your target. Another example right there, downward trend, first bottom, second bottom, third bottom, and look, we are slightly doing new lows, trapping everyone, reject it, boom, this neckline, we are breaking it, we have even a kind of pullback right there and retest, and bam, is gonna give you your target. And last example, bam, down trade, first bottom, second bottom, third bottom, your entry area, or just after the breakout, it's up to you guys, and pull back, and boom, this market is supposed to go higher, or he has a lot of probability to go higher. So triple vs double bottom. So double bottom more common because they are easier to identify, you know, and shaping too. It's just the bread and butter. And triple bottoms are rarer, but higher conviction when they appear. Okay, so worth waiting for it. And if you see a double bottom holding and price comes back, for third test, don't panic. It might be building something stronger. So just you need to stay patient. And both use same mechanics, neckline break, measured move, and triple just has extra confirmation. That's what they are more powerful than double bottom. The common mistakes about this pattern is that first one, panic selling at third test, thinking support will break, okay? The third test is your opportunity if we are bouncing on it, okay? One another mistake is that entering before neckline break, as I said, is an aggressive entry, so you don't have your confirmation yet. Okay, so be careful with it if you want to enter before the break of this neckline. And the last mistake is that confusing with descending triangle, where highs get lower but lows equal. Okay, it's not the same thing, because the descending triangle is just bearish. So to recap, and this video and this pattern, 3 holds at support plus exhausting selling pressure plus neckline break on volume means high probability long, okay, and wonderful potential short squeeze. I just gave to you guys 10 trading patterns that you have and you must to know, and if they are shaping on the market, you need to take it, okay, because they are giving you high probability setups. And these next days I will keep going to post a lot of patterns, a lot of setups, a lot of tips, so make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, put a thumbs up, and stay tuned, because we are going to do a lot of things, a lot of educational content and entertainment content too on this YouTube channel. And by the way, I'm trading live stream on the Phidias Perfume YouTube channel, so I invite you, if you are curious, to watch it from Monday to Friday during the New York Times session at the opening. Boom, boom, boom. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, bye, bye.
Yo, his name is Florian. He's the NASDAQ hustler. Every day he's grinding, making all them numbers cluster. He's a day trader, living life as a thrill seeker. Analyzing charts, he's the Wall Street sneaker. 9 to 5 ain't his game, it's the stock market flow. Tickers on his mind, watching those numbers grow. Buy low, sell high, that's the name of